when I'm working with metal, you just feel what you're doing. You don't have to think about what you're doing, it's purely feeling. Your mind can then go to different places because you're present. It's like a meditative process. All of the work that I do with clients, specifically individuals, has sentimentality kind of built into the piece. It's not what I do as a maker, it's how I imprint the personality of the client into the piece. People for thousands of years have made objects in metal to preserve dates, to preserve ceremonies, all of these different things. Preserving heritage skills is incredibly important. If we lose them, then we're really going to start losing historical pieces. You can't lose that part of human history. If you did, it would be a tragedy. This is a hammer that was passed down to me by one of my teachers. Being given tools from your masters and your teachers is the biggest honor that you can receive. This hammer in particular has gone through 4 generations of craftsmen and has ended up with me. And it will continue to work for hopefully at least 60 more years. If I couldn't do silversmithing, I'm so involved in it and I'm so proud of what I do that if I couldn't do it, then I'd be lost. My name's Oscar Saurin and I'm a silversmith.